Okay, so I was replacing my Briggs and Stratton. I blew a head gasket. It was smoke, doing white smoke. Oil was coming from this chamber into my where the combustion happens, and it was just burning it up. See, but I've already done this a few times. Now this is the second time I've taken off this component, and I think what happened, the only reason it didn't fire up was because these were not in line with the rocker. So I'm going to put this all back together. When that's on, I'm going to take this and make sure my rocker arms are working correctly. Put my bolts on. I'm going to start, do my pins. Just rest this rather than duct taping it. I've seen people just duct tape it. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do it like this. Alright, so it's ready to get put back on. Okay, now that I got it snugged, I'm going to go ahead and go quarter turns. Okay. Quarter turn. Then go diagonally to the other nut. I actually have to go 1, 2, yeah. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, that's awkward. Quarter turn. Quarter turn. Maybe one more quarter turn. Oh, I ain't gonna cut it. So not a quarter turn. Alright. It's going by feel. That should be good. Let's get off this case. See, and there's our problem right there. Look at where my rods probably were. That's why it wasn't turning over at all. Those got to be behind that. These rods got to be behind that. Problem solved. I'm gonna line these pins. So we got compression. I'm moving the flywheel. I hear it. There goes one. Thank God. That's the exhaust. Ah, there it goes. Let's try that again. There it goes. Sweet. Intake, exhaust. top is intake, bottom is exhaust. Let's put them back on right this time. It's this little, that needs to go right on the end of that pin. Same thing with this on that end of that pin, the little nod, the little pocket. See if they move. Yes. Hell yeah. Yes. Intake, exhaust. I don't like that. Shit. There it goes. There it goes. Nice. There it sticks. Wonder if that's going to be a problem. The compression's good, I guess. I don't know if it's overly compressed. Well, that'll do, man. Cool. Okay, check this out. This little thing was in my case. It was in my casing. It goes right behind here. Right behind this. So it goes right here. If I would have put that together, I would have had problems again. Unbelievable. The casing back on. What I always forget is get that gas line back on, man. Always. And get your little cinch, whatever this is called. Should be good. See, this is what I was caught up on, this linkage. This is your choke, and this is like your hydrostatic choke. This, when this heats up, this moves, and it opens, I believe it opens it up more. I thought it was messed up because I saw people on other videos had like a different, their butterfly would go all the way in on this side, and mine doesn't. It just opens up a little bit, just a little bit. This is one of the no choke, no prime ones. Yeah, but that's how that works. Actually missing a screw. Lost it outside. I might have to order one. I don't think it's a big deal. Alright, we're going to try to start this up with There's no gas whatsoever. I know that sounds stupid, but I'm just seeing if it will turn because we fixed those rocker arms. So it should at least turn on fumes. If it doesn't, we'll get some gas in it. First pull, no gas. I wonder why it won't start. Jesus Christ. Let's try that with the spark plug this time. Nice. Oh shit. I need to put oil on.